Whoa! And this is the layer which is done already. So you saw the photo of the white cardboard. So they only make this much thickness of the Beyblade, but limit break Beyblades are extremely thick. So I use this thickness of cardboard only 2 times. So that make a very thick Beyblade. Then you just need to mold your Beyblade like this so that there are upper attacks. For the driver, I will use this. So this is a stick which come with your kulfi and ice cream stuff. I cut it and make it this much tall, and I will use the flat portion because it's more towards the attack type. Attack type have better flat portion. So see, it can stand too. You need to color your disc just you did with the Helios and the chip and the axle a little bit, because from up it's rubber but it isn't. I don't have a rubber, so I colored it with yellow. I told you in the Helios video that I will make super duper Hyperion Burn, which is an upgrade to the Super Hyperion. There's a really massive difference between them. You can see the upper attacks of the Super Hyperion is too sharpy, whereas it have mainly the 4 attack points and the 4 district points. And it's extremely thick, guys. See, the limit break Beyblades are extremely thick. And see, that's your Exceed driver with your X chip and your Zone driver with Z chip. So they have a little bit difference, and that's your Chode disc and that's O disc, and your Lucifer had the Co disc. Test spin of the Hyperion Burn. It's an right spin. Attack type. I am using my power launcher. I also made video on it. Whoa, the chip though. Now we will do some test battle first with the from DB series. This is your Roar Bahamut 6 Giga Drift. Whoa, that was a massive hit, guys. I wish I could watch that in slow motion live, but anyways, let's do round 2 because that was in draw. Round 2. That was your Hyperion Burn. I will make a dedicated video battling against the older generation and the brother versus brother. Next is Guilty Longinus with your Destroyer driver. I am looking forward to it. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Left spin. Both are attack types. Again in draw, but this is from separate Beyblades. Go shoot. Guilty Longinus. I told you guys, this is the beast. This is the beast, guys. Next is Astral Spriggan in left mode. Oh my god, Astral Spriggan just losing, but it gained some speed by the draining some speed from Hyperion. Man, the left mode of this Beyblade is really cool. So next is El Dragon. El Dragon in absorb mode. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that? This chip just, how can I show you guys? This chip just roll over from here like this. Man, this thing really helps the Beyblade. I must say that. So Eldragon lost. Now right versus right. Both are limit break. Let's start. First I'm gonna launch Lucifer the End because it have a ton of stamina. Oh, I never thought so. But anyways, Lucifer the End won. Dynamite Burial. Whoa! Oh my god. So next is Vanish Fafnir, a stamina type with can absorb some spin. Oh. Whoa. Guys, who won? I think barely. Fafnir just won. I think barely. But you guys tell in the comments. So guys, that's it the video for your Hyperion Burn. And I hope you like it. And thanks for watching. रहने तू रहने ये बातें करे गैंग के पर असलियत में नरम लगा ले मरहम या बैंड